Welcome back to 23rd Garage. Today we are back on the M3. As you guys know, in the last video we did remove the quarter and we did a little bit of more pulling on the parts that are damaged. We still have quite a bit of pulling to do, but today what we need to do is we need to prep the donor quarter panel. So we need to get it all split apart, get all the pieces taken apart. That way we're ready to start test fitting, and do more pulling if we have to, and then hopefully we will be able to weld it in today. All right, so I am test fitting the quarter panel for the very first time, and it fits kinda. It kind of fits. We don't have a gap right here, obviously, because we have to adjust this a little bit more and put it into its actual spot. Oh, there we go. And you just got to go up here. I think the other side of the lid has to go up, and this side needs to come down a hair. So we'll address that once we actually start welding. But we've got the wheel well also mocked up, and I'm really happy with how the separation turned out right here on the wheel well. We didn't damage it too much. There's a little bit of damage, but that's nothing, a little bit of body work you can't fix. And then our main focus, and the reason why I wanted to test fit this, is because I needed to see exactly how much more I have to pull. So if you hop up here and take a look down in here, so if you see right here, we're gapped pretty good at the intersection of the wheel well, so it needs to come out. And then also you can see that it's not lined up right here, so it needs to be pulled and pushed up So that's one of our main focuses, and what I'm doing is I'm measuring the donor piece as I'm pulling this and measuring the parts, since we don't really have measurements on the car, so that's just how we do it. I do want to look into getting the Mitchell measuring system because it's a really good tool. It's a very useful tool, and we're definitely probably going to look into getting that, so it'll make everything just a lot easier. But for now, we have the donor piece, so we can always just measure that and come over here, pull it, and go back and forth. So we're going to take it off. We're going to put a slight pull right here on the wheel well, and then we'll see if we're ready to start welding on it. And I've got these nice little nuts and bolts right here from Atlas Bolt Co. We're going to bolt everything on first with these. We'll hang the door. We'll make sure the door opens and closes, and make sure the lid is lined up. I don't know, do we have a bumper and a tail light?
I think we have the bumper.
Okay, yeah, we'll have to put that on there as well.
We do have a tail light though, over there, hanging up on the wall.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. All right, so honestly, kind of burned out already. It's Friday. What time is it? Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. It's time to go home. It's
12 o'clock on a Friday, bro.
Yeah, 12 o'clock on a Friday is like 9 o'clock on a Monday, man. It's just, you don't want to be here. You do not want to be here. So it's the next day here, and Mark is here today, and he is working on Birdie's car. Been here for quite a while. We've been waiting on a steering wheel and downpipes for it. Look at this thing, man. It's like, it's perfect. The steering wheel that you want. It took a while to get here, but we're not complainers. We don't complain. We just work. So we're gonna get this thing popped on. It wasn't even tight.
Actually, has he?
Yeah. Boom. A little bit more maybe. Just more to be safe. Yeah.
There we go.
Look at that. All right, so now we need to program the wheel to make sure all the buttons work. And Mark's doing that now. It works.
Let's see. Sometimes they're
All right, so I got the pipes all unwrapped, and these are from Black Boost USA. They do everything like from intakes to exhausts. What else they do, Mark?
Intakes, exhaust, tune,
Stuff like that. Mostly for Mercedes, right?
Yeah. Oh, I think they do like smaller pulleys and stuff too.
Yeah, so really cool company. We actually met the owner last time he was here. Really cool guy, and he hooked Birdie up with these pipes right here, and they look really good compared to what's on there. Honestly, if this was me, if it was my car, I would not replace them because the ones that are on there are fine. But yes, these do look a lot better. They're professionally made, and I don't know, are they bigger? I don't think so. They look like the same size, but if you look over here, the main reason why Birdie didn't like this setup is because of the fact that it's just welded. They've just got like a section of pipe welded to this pipe.
But
so
look what he has here, and it's still gonna be there. It's all still welded. I mean, they did a good job. Look, these welds are nice.
yeah, very solid and very
Consistent.
We had to rip this open to get that out. So we'll just tell Birdie he needs to replace it. It's no big deal. It's just an AMG. Look at that.
Yeah.
We got the pipes on. They look great. I can't say they sound great because I haven't heard them yet. But
Guys, comment down below if you think it'll sound different. Nate thinks it will.
I think it will sound just a little bit different.
A little thorougher.
Yeah, because of the fact that that pipe right there is causing a lot of restriction. I think there's definitely going to be a performance difference and a sound difference. And then look at this pipe. It's like they cut this pipe off of a Ford Ranger and just welded it on here. So we are going to do a little test to see if it sounds any different. We did start it earlier and I'm pretty sure it sounded different. What do you think, Nate?
I mean, let's just hear it.
Yeah. So the car sounds amazing. I know Birdie's gonna be super happy with it. He's been waiting on this for a long time. Steering wheel looks amazing. Everything about it just looks absolutely beautiful. We could not get the air ride to air up, so I think that possibly might have to take it to the dealer and have them check it out, either diagnose it or fix it or whatever. We could not get it to work, and it's bottomed out, so you know we got to fix that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the mixed content. If you did, hit that like button. And also, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.